Hey, what's up, everybody? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Sending out with the foot back with another video. This is something a little bit different. I just wanted to update you guys on my PC build. I just came back from Best Buy today, and I bought a couple of cool things I want to show y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all like what the things that I'm doing on my computer. So the stuff is right over here. Can I flip this mid-video? All right, so here we go. I don't know if I was covering my mic, but I bought two things. So just got back from Best Buy. They had one of these. This is a Samsung 970 Evo Plus NVMe. I cannot wait to put this in my system. It doesn't really improve like loading times that much, but it's really good with the reads and the writes. So like copying files over, stuff like that, that'll do good. I already have an SSD in my system, but with the new 3090 coming out, and I was just trying to get something in PCIe form for the M.2, PCIe 4, getting NVMe in my system. Maybe that'll help. We don't know yet. We have to wait for benchmarks, but hopefully that'll make some things better. And this is something that I've been meaning to get for a very long time. This is a Corsair Commander Pro. This basically is a huge fan hub. You can put like 6 fans in there. You can see it's 6 slots. You can put some LEDs in there. I was thinking about getting 2 of these. I only have 6 fans in my system. I'll show you guys my system very soon, but I only have 6 fans in there right now, but I plan on adding an additional 4 fans. Well, actually it would be 4 minus 2, so 8 total fans in there. And I'm gonna need one of these. I'm probably gonna need 2, so I'm probably gonna have to end up daisy chaining it. But I just wanted to buy one just to make sure that, you know, everything's working out. So that's that Commander Pro from Corsair. Like I said, this is something I've been meaning to get for a minute. But I want to show you guys the system. Pardon my room, but I just want to show you guys the build. So this is my PC right now. This is in an H510 case, I think, or H500, whatever. You're looking at, this is my 30, not 30, this is coming out. This is my 2070 non-super. I got it like a month before the supers came out, so RIP me. This is my H100i PSU. You got some G-Skill RAM, 32 gigs in there. My 2 SSDs are down there. Those are SATA drives. I think those are 860 EVOs. My motherboard is a, I think it's an X570 tough gaming Wi-Fi, whatever. And then the CPU is a 3900X. So pretty good parts in there. This GPU is definitely bottlenecking when it comes down to it. I'm at 1440p, but still it's bottlenecking it. So hopefully whenever the new RTX GPUs come out, the 3000 series GPUs come out, I'll be able to upgrade. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna get. I'm probably gonna get the 3080, but I have to wait for benchmarks. They just changed the benchmarks now. They're coming out now on September, I think, 16th. So now they're changing it to the 16th. It was the 14th, so Monday, where you could get the benchmarks, but now they've pushed it back to the 16th. So I don't know, man, but I'm waiting to be able to get my hands on some numbers, get my eyes or hands on some numbers, just to see, like, I want to see, are these GPUs that good in the games that I personally play? Games like, you know, Rocket League, Siege, stuff like that. Maybe bigger titles like Control, like, you know, games like that. I'm trying to see if it's really good, because the 3090 is supposed to be a beast, but I'm wondering, like, how overkill is it for 1440p? That's my biggest question. And will it help me in streaming and stuff like that? I don't really do streaming that often, but I'm wondering if it's gonna have $1,500 worth of improvement, because if it doesn't, then I'm just gonna get the 3080 and keep it moving. You know, I already have a 2070. It's good for what it is, but you know, that's closer to the amount where I can sell it and kind of get most of my money back. I could probably get about $250 or something like that for my 2070 non-super, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the system, show you guys a couple things that I'm getting. This next couple of weeks to months is going to be crazy for PC. AMD's dropping their announcements on October. I think the 8th they're doing the CPUs, and then later in the month they're doing the GPUs. New consoles are coming out in October as well, I think. No, September, no, October. It'll be October, yeah. New consoles coming out in October. You can pre-order it in September. The Xbox Series S and X specifically. You know, new GPUs coming out. We got the RTX 3080 for $700 coming out on the 17th. 24th, we're bringing the 3090 at $1,500, and then in October, just announced October 15th, it's going to be the 3070 at $500. So that's going to be the one that's supposed to be like the 2070 or 2080 Ti for $500. I'm not really that interested in that, just because I already have a 2070, but I'm looking for some big upgrades this next couple months. So it's going to be hectic. It's going to be hectic. But I just want to come in here and show you guys what I'm rocking with my PC, stuff like that. If you like this video, be sure to hit like. I just wanted to update y'all on that. something a bit different, but you know, it's quick and easy. So I'll catch y'all later. Y'all have a really good day. Peace.